Welcome back, viewers. You're watching the Savera and I'm Shefali. After the recent Delhi High Court ruling that service charges can't be mandatory on food bills, restaurants are oscillating between increasing food and drink prices are letting the restaurant staff bear the loss. Justice Pratibha M. Singh said that for consumers, the collection of service charge is proving to be a double whammy. They are forced to pay service tax and GST on the service charge as well. Industry experts say that the ruling will leave resorts to recess these prices, affecting not only businessmen but also consumers. Should diners be ready to deal with a huge price menu? Industrial experts say not immediately but eventually. Collecting service charge on a mandatory basis is contrary to consumer investment. Justice Pratibha M. Singh said that for the consumers, the collection of service charge is proving to be double whammy. They are forced to pay service tax charge and GST on the service charge as well. And that this position cannot be ignored by the court. She imposed cost of 21 lakh on the Restaurant Association that challenged the CGA guidelines. The court stated service charge or tip, as it is colloquially preferred, it is a voluntary payment by the customer. It cannot be compulsory or mandatory. The practice undertaken by the restaurant establishments of collecting service charge, that too on a mandatory basis, is a coercive manner, would be contradictory to consumer interest and is violation of consumer rights. The immediate impact will be a sudden drop in pay. Restaurants say that service charge allow them to pay not just their services but the entire staff. What does CCPA guidelines say? Hotels or restaurants shall not add service tax automatically or by default in the food bill. No collection of service charge shall be done by any other name. No hotel or restaurant shall force a consumer to pay service charge and shall clearly inform the consumer that service charge is voluntarily optional and at consumer's discretion. No restriction on entry or provision of services based on collection of service charge shall be imposed on consumers. Service charge shall not be collected by adding it along with the food bill and laying a GST on the total amount. That's all for now. Stay healthy, stay safe, download the Savera app and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.